Welcome to number 10 Hangar at Chame Airport. This property is a beautiful property with 3 dwellings, a cochera, pool. Cochera or garage has spots for 6 vehicles. This is the main hangar, pool and guest house. Here's your cochera once again. The house over there is used for our maintenance staff. This could be repurposed and used as a guest house. It's been beautifully done. It's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath with kitchen. You can see it's got a patio on the front and the back so that you can enjoy the morning sunshine or the evening sunset. Right here we have an area for storing maintenance items. That the main guest house is beautifully done with 2 patios. One situated for the morning sunrise and one for the evening sunset. Now, why don't we go into the house itself? Here is where the patio where we eat oftentimes. Let's go in. Here is the living room. As you can see, it's got tiled floor, cement walls, cement ceiling, solid windows, air conditioning, area for TVs. Here's a small dining area or a breakfast nook type idea, and then we'll go into the hangar itself. You can see here's how the hangar looks. Into the kitchen. Granite countertops, new stove, new fridge, head range or range hood, and then into the downstairs bathroom with a shower, toilet, sink. How about we go to the pool again? Nice open space. Here is the outdoor bathroom, change area for the pool. It's got a shower, a toilet, sink, everything you need so that you don't have to run into the house and get everything all wet. Here's the hangar, right on the runway. Large hangar, house up to 3 planes. Obviously depending on the size. 50 feet by 65 feet with a 50-foot door, which is 3,250 square feet, or 15 meters door by 20 meters, which is 370 square meters. Check out this beautiful 4,000-foot runway, paved from end to end, running north-south. What a beautiful spot to take off from and land at. There's a large variety of aircraft at this airport. Parachutes, ultralights, twin engines, jets, and helicopters. All for your viewing pleasure. Most of this variety of aircraft do not reside here, so traffic is relatively low. These are aircraft coming in from other areas for training purposes. Okay, so why don't we go upstairs? And we go to the master bedroom. Again, tile floors. Cement walls, tile in the bathroom, nice large walk-in closet. Bathroom has a nice shower, sink, toilet. Now then we'll go to the guest room in the main house. Alright, let's go into the guest house. A little patio to start with for them. And we got granite countertops in here, tiled floors, beautiful wood cabinets that are termite resistant, dishwasher, fridge. Now into the dining room and living area. Tequila can come with the place if you want it. And here we have the master bedroom. Nice large room. Easily can put a king-size bed in here. It's got air conditioning. And here we go into the bathroom, shower, toilet, sink, and the guest room. Nice size room as well, with air conditioning and fan.